Hello student, this is question number 10 of exercise 1.2. Question is medicine is packed in boxes, each weighing 4 kg 500 gram. How many such boxes can be loaded in van which cannot carry beyond 800 kg? You can think of a van in which boxes has to be placed, medicine boxes has to be placed. We don't know the number how much boxes can be placed. That is the answer we have to find. The capacity of van is 800 kg. This is van, and the capacity of each box is, the weight of each box is 4 kg 500 gram. So we will solve this question. First we will convert all the units to the common unit, that means uniform unit. Here the weight of the box is 4 kg 500 gram. Two units are there. Here 400 kg 800 kg is given. So we will first convert into the all the numbers in the lower units, and that will be gram, and then we will solve this question in terms of grams. So weight of box, weight of box, a box is 4 kg 500 gram. We have the standard 1000 gram equivalent to 1 kg, or 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 4 kg will be equal to 4 into 1000 gram plus 500 gram. That will be equal to 4000 gram plus 500 gram. That will be equal to 4500 gram. So weight of each box is equal to 4500 gram. Now capacity of van. That is 800 kg. That is 800, 1 kg equivalent to 1000. So 800 kg will be equal to 1 kg equal to 1000 grams. So 800 kg equal to 800 into 1000 gram. Please note down the unit conversion. So it will be 8. How many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it will be 8 lakh grams. So this is the capacity of van. Now we have to find how many boxes of 4500 gram can be accommodated in 8000 capacity. That means how much 4500 grams add up to nearer to 8 lakh grams. So we will use the division concept. The capacity of van is 8 lakh grams, 8 and 5 zeros. That has to be divided by 4500 gram to get the number of boxes. Now we will reduce this. Divide by 100 to numerator and denominator. We will get 8000 divided by 45. Again it can be divided with 5. Numerator and denominator to both. So it is 1600 and 9 5s are 45. That means it will be 9. So in place of dividing 8000 or 8 lakh with 4500, we will do the division of 1600 with 9, because these are the equivalent fractions, equivalent So 8000 divided by 45, which is equivalent to 1600 divided by 9. Let us do the division. 9 2s are 18, it will exceed 16, so 9 1s are 9, 70, 9 7s are 63. Again we will do the subtraction, so it will be 7, 9 7s are 63. So we get the answer 177. So here remainder will be again 7. So in place of dividing 8 lakh with 4500, we will get the same answer 8 lakh with 4500. We will get the 177 and some remainder will be there. Now we are interested in number of boxes. Number of boxes is nothing but 177. So here number of boxes which can be accommodated in the van is 177 boxes. We can verify this answer by multiplying 177, that is number of boxes, with weight of each box, that is 4500. What you will get? You will get 4500 multiplied by 177, that will be 7,96,500 gram. So 7,96,500 gram. When it is subtracted from 8 lakh grams, the remaining will be 3,500 gram. So this much capacity is remained in the van, but out of 8 lakh capacity, this much capacity is occupied by the 177 boxes.